Hey Dad, I still don't get how to use function. How do you use it?
Do you want to know what it is? After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
Psych?
So let's write code to determine the grades from three of our friends from school. So you got Mike, James, and Sarah. So let's have three variables to represent their scores. You got a Mike, 87, James, 52, Sarah, 99. Okay, so now let's first check Mike's score. So Mike's score has got 87, right? And since it's above 70 and above, Python prints grade B. And it stops there. Next is James. James scores 52, and then our code determines that it's a grade C. Last, Sarah. Sarah has 99. Above 90, so Sarah's grade is grade A. So the code idea is very simple. Python tests a rule, one rule at a time. Once a rule fits, Python stops, prints the answer. Okay, now you have a lot of friends from school. Okay, 50, 60, 70 friends. Let's determine all their grades. How do we do that? And one way to do this is just copy the blocks, right? Multiple times over and over again. Every time if you want to grade, score, and you gotta paste the whole block. It's pain. So in Python, we have a tool let you write this rule one time, and then you can reuse it every single time. And that tool is called a function. Okay, so this is how you define a function. Is by using the keyword def. You give a function name, then you have a parentheses. Whatever goes to the inside of parentheses is what we call the parameters. You can have 0 parameters, you can have 1, 2, 3, as many as you want as parameters. Okay, so these parameters are what we call inputs. When you call this function get grades, score is one of the value that you pass into your function. So if you pass 87, this function will take the value 87 and run everything inside of this function. So it will check if the score is greater or equal to 90, if the score is greater than 70, and so forth. Okay, so the function gets that input, and then function gives you the output, which is the grade. And you don't have to repeat all this work over and over again.